Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten fund code on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow button alongside your username. Now once you are inside the user center page, tap on security. And now if you scroll down, you will see the fund code section. Tap on this button and then tap on change fund code. Now within this page, you will be asked to enter your desired new fund code. If you look underneath the submit button, you will also see the forgot your fund code option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be taken into the reset fund code option. Just type in your desired new fund password and then type it in once again underneath for confirmation. After you type in your desired new fund password, tap on the submit button. And finally, you will need to verify using both your email address as well as Google Authenticator. So check your inbox first to find the 6-digit verification code. Once you type in the code that you receive within your email, the next step is to check Google Authenticator. Open up the Google Authenticator app and then tap on the 6-digit verification code for the Bitget app. This will copy the code within your clipboard. So now go back to the Bitget app and tap on the paste button for the Google Authenticator. As soon as you enter both the keys, you will be taken back into the user center page, which means that your fund code or your fund password has been reset right away. Now you will be able to use this new password in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten fund password on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.